You've gone through an entire roll of paper towels in 4 days, and your counters still have streaks. Your dish rag smells by Wednesday no matter how many times you rinse it. That's not a cleaning problem. That's a materials problem, because cotton and paper towels physically can't grab bacteria or oil the way a split fiber weave can. I switched to only microfiber for 30 days straight, 6 towels total, and tracked every single result. The cheapest one cost $1.20 and outperformed a $14 name brand cloth. Stay with me to the end, because I'm walking through exactly what happened, day by day, category by category. Paper towel manufacturers sell you a product engineered to be thrown away. That's the entire business model, a repeat purchase item you buy every single week for the rest of your life. Microfiber was developed in Japan in the 1970s using split polyester polyamide fibers, and one $2 towel can survive 300 to 500 washes. A $9 billion paper towel industry has zero incentive to tell you that. Days 1 to 7. Kitchen counters. I used one 16 by 16 inch microfiber towel, costing $2.50 each, dry with no cleaner. Microfiber's split fibers are roughly 1/100th the width of a human hair, which lets them trap dust and grease mechanically, instead of just pushing it around like cotton does. The result? 0 streaks across 7 days, and one towel handled the entire week, versus 14 paper towels I'd normally burn through. Days 8 to 14, glass and mirrors. Same towel type, use damp, buffed dry with a second towel. A 2006 study out of the University of California, Davis, found microfiber removed 99% of bacteria from surfaces using water alone, no chemical spray needed. Cost for the week, $0, since I reused the same 2 towels. Streak-free every single time. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: washing microfiber with fabric softener. Softener coats the fibers in a waxy residue that kills their static cling ability, and your $2 towel turns into an expensive paper towel replacement that doesn't actually work. Days 15 to 21, bathroom and grout. I used a thicker weave towel, costing $3.75. With the baking soda paste method, 3 tablespoons baking soda to 1 tablespoon water. The denser weave held the paste against grout lines longer than cotton rags do, cutting scrub time by roughly 40%, based on my stopwatch comparisons day to day. Days 22 to 30, dusting and electronics. A dry, ultra-fine weave towel, costing $4, generates a slight static charge that pulls dust toward the fibers, instead of scattering it into the air the way feather dusters do. 0 sneezing fits for 9 straight days, and the same towel is still in rotation 2 months later. Total spend across all 30 days. 4 towels, $12.25 combined, replacing roughly 6 rolls of paper towels and 2 bottles of glass cleaner I didn't touch once. Microfiber won't disinfect against every pathogen without a cleaning agent behind it, and it loses effectiveness fast if you wash it with regular laundry detergent that has softening agents built in. This isn't a one towel forever claim either. Expect to replace them every 12 to 18 months with heavy use. $12.25 total for 30 days, versus roughly $40 in paper towels and glass spray over that same stretch. And the towels are still working. If this made you want to test it yourself, hit that like button. It tells me what 30-day experiment to run next. Subscribe to The Big Sweep if you want the full breakdown series. Drop a comment telling me what you're still using paper towels for, and I'll tell you which microfiber weave replaces it. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.